Good morning, my dear friends. How are you today? So I think I've pretty much got this Panzer 2 sorted out. I've just got a few little things to tie up. It's a nice one, isn't it? It's by Tamiya. I think I've already said that. I stole those bed thingies, rolls, from the border kit. From that one. We'll work on that one too soon. I'll put the spaced armour on. But yeah, doesn't this look awesome? It's not as good as a mini art one. You know what I mean? Mini art really get their shapes really correct and stuff. But this is a good kit. It is by 2006. They made the mold. And this is a repaint, so this was one of the first models I made. So when I first started modelling a few years ago, I only really did Tamiya kits before I found model shops and all that kind of stuff. So I thought I'd repaint it, but that's why it's got all that mud all over it. Because I put mud all over it. So I'll make a little diorama with the mud where it's going through a muddy road or something. But it's I've put a lot of little details on it, which was fun. I don't think I'll put any more on. So we'll put what do we got here? We can put him on. Right, that looks pretty cool. I don't know if I've got something else already made up. Nothing really. I got more tank figures. Maybe I'll order some just plain tank figures in resin, to be honest. I've seen some that are really nice, some Panzer ones. Like I saw that night shift guy, he had one holding a puppy, and I saw that. I found the resin one for that, and there's heaps of them like that, so I might get some of those as well. Because they're really well molded, and from China they're really cheap because they steal them. But I did find a few stolen things from Mini Art and Masterbox, so I just let them know. I showed them the site where they can find their own stolen goods. Like, I thank you very much. But that's the Panzer 2 by Tamiya. It's really nice, really cool, and I'll make a cool little diorama for it. And there he goes. Ugh. So that's it. I love it. And you should love it too. Panzer 2 Tamiya. Coming to a town near you. Have a good day, my friends.